Ke company rong bahe tam he India ke Asian Paint, ke Plie ke dukan beningkong Beautiful Homes, ha Shillong, ha Arpulai terek ujeliu, bat kani ke dukan ke don halaki road. Kani ke dukan thamai ke don kitiar ki baphala, kat kum kani ke juk mentah. La Plie pat ba ya kani ke dukan du Amit Sinjil, Managing Director but CEO ke Asian Paint. Kani ke dukan ke biang lut, haba ya day beki yang kisem bat ke dia ke thiet rup. Kani ke dukan ke don ke jingkelut, hado 100,000 आसपास स्क्वायर फीट फिन शेमरू एक जिंगडन kam hayeng kum ki rong ki jakasum ki jingsiang kejat ki modular kitchen ki furniture bat bon ki bai ru kani ke dukan ke biang lut nadong shadong kat kum ki jingdon kam ha ki yeng ha kani ke juk menta ki nong thet ki la banjet ki tiar kitar ki bai biang na ke benta ke yeng ke sam jangki ke beautiful homes ke ai ki jingmut bat pen shai ru ki nong thet ha ba ya day bat ke jingpet internet ya ki yeng jangki.
According to us, today Asian Paints has evolved over the last 8 decades, and as you can see that we are now moving from something which we call as the share of surface to a share of space. So we are going away from just the four walls, but we are talking about the space within the four walls in the homes to that extent. So Asian Paints is also transforming over the years, and now we are talking of homes in a very, very strong way. So what we have done is that we have a new visual identity which has come in, which is A and P coming together, which is almost a sign of infinity, which shows infinite opportunities which are there, and that is something which we have appropriated going forward. And as that part of it, we have looked at home decor very, very strongly. So our earlier symbol of Gattu is still there. It is still coming on the cans if you see intently. So we have not dropped any symbol to that extent. It's just that now, given the new area, contemporary designs, other things which we have entered, we have looked at appropriating home decor in a very, very strong manner, in which paints and coatings are a part of that whole entire home decor in terms of what we have taken. So, what you see today is uh, uh, a beautiful home stores which has come. This is the first mega store, which is what we call as the beautiful home stores, which has come in Northeast, and it has almost more than 10 to 12 categories which are housed of home decor under one roof. So traditionally, what we call this store is the decor under one roof, and this is something which is a store which is really a tech store, which is a contemporary store, which we see really in sync with the times, because this store has a physical layout and it has also a digital footprint which is very, very strong. So we think for the customers of Northeast, not only Shillong, we see it is a very, very big initiative where the customers will get a very, very big opportunity to visualize their homes and then see how they can decorate their homes with the best of the categories in bath, kitchen, lighting, paints, furnishing, furniture, and so many other categories like flooring, tiles, and so on and so forth, which has come in. So we feel that it's a very, very important milestone for Northeast, and especially our relationship with this agency, where we have been working for a very, very long time, and we are thankful to the proprietor, Mr. Anil Bajaj, for really partnering this thing with Asian Paints so that we can give to the people of Northeast this beautiful store, which is what we call as decor under one roof.